Welcome to day 4 of the 10-day visualization challenge. Over the last few days, you have been training your mind to imagine more clearly. Today, we will take a beautiful journey through a magical garden filled with colors, sounds, scents, and peace. Before we begin, take a moment to look carefully at this beautiful garden. Notice the colorful flowers, the green trees, the warm golden sunlight shining through the leaves. Observe every detail. Take it all in. Now slowly close your eyes. Relax your eyes. Relax your face. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms. Relax your whole body. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. Again, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out. Now imagine a beautiful garden gate standing in front of you. The gate slowly opens, and you gently step inside. The atmosphere feels calm and welcoming. Begin walking slowly along the pathway. As you walk, you notice beautiful flowers all around you. Bright pink flowers, golden yellow flowers. Every flower looks vibrant and alive. Take a moment to admire their beauty. Now notice colorful butterflies flying through the garden. One butterfly gently lands on a flower near you and then slowly flies away. Take a slow, deep breath. Can you smell the sweet fragrance of the flowers? The scent is fresh, relaxing. Every breath fills your mind with peace. A gentle breeze moves through the garden. Feel it touching your face. Feel it moving through your hair. The temperature is perfect, comfortable, peaceful. Now listen carefully. You can hear birds singing softly in the distance. Leaves gently rustling in the trees. And somewhere nearby, a small stream of water flowing peacefully. As you continue walking, you arrive at a magnificent giant tree. Its branches stretch high into the sky. Sunlight shines through the leaves, creating beautiful golden patterns on the ground. Beneath the tree is a beautiful wooden bench. Walk toward it and slowly sit down. Feel completely safe, completely relaxed, completely at peace. As you sit quietly, tiny golden lights begin floating around the garden. Like little stars dancing in the air. whole garden glows with warmth and magic. The flowers sparkle softly. The air feels peaceful. Everything around you feels beautiful and alive. Notice how calm you feel, how peaceful your mind has become. Imagine your happiest future self walking toward you, smiling, confident, peaceful, living a beautiful life. Simply notice them and smile back. This is where our journey will continue tomorrow. Take one final look around this magical garden. Remember the colors, the flowers, the butterflies, the sunlight, and the peaceful feeling in your heart. Take one slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. Now slowly open your eyes. If you could clearly visit the garden in your imagination, comment garden below. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 5.